Hey guys, we are Vision, and you're tuned into Is It Wrong? Yeah.
Patrick.
Ayun!
Ngipin ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi I can't smile without you.
Jesus naman talaga yun.
Bawal nga mag-react eh!
Nag-react ako eh. Try not to cringe pala. Okay.
Si 1-3.
Vince.
Yee! Tito kasi!
Wala akong pick-up. Wala akong maisip na pick-up line.
Are you a parking ticket?
Hoy, English!
Oh,
Ang sakit
English.
sa ulo, guys!
Bawal mag-react.
Why?
Okay.
Because you're so fine.
Ano?
Unan ka ba?
Kasi amoy laway ka.
Ganun.
Ano ba?
Hindi ako maisip.
Dami mo ng choices,
Diyos ko! Isa ba?
Diyos ko. Si Diyos ko. Mabagal ka ba?
Bakit?
Oo! Hindi rin bakit. Radyo ka ba?
Yok.
Bakit? Kasi gusto ko ikaw naririnig ko tuwing umaga. Over naman sa radyo. Ako na. Mag-isip ka na. Ako na. Shish. Okay.
Shish.
Paborito ba kita?
Wala
Wala pa! Ay, wala pa!
Tingin pa.
Game.
Beside you ba?
Vince. Paborito ba kita? Bakit? Kasi, easy rock ka eh. Tito kasi! Ay, nag-react sila! Uy, nakakatawa talaga ako, guys. Like 100%. I'm thinking of comedian.
Keyboard ka ba? Sam.
Bakit?
Dave Kitty.
Sobrang bago. Over.
Wala akong maisip.
Over naman sa brand new. Yes! Galing! So, yan. Napakinggan nyo na ang aming newest single na Tabi Tabi. It's all out now on streaming platforms. Yes!
Yay!
Yes, please stream it under Cornerstone Music.
Let's
yes.
go.
And of course, this April may lalabas kaming bagong
Ano
pakulo.
yan?
Bagong painit.
Patingin ang kumukulo.
Sheesh.
Kumukulo. Umiinit.
Oh.
At
Ano yan?
sumisiklab. This is our new single. This is a summer
Hindi ko
track.
siya namin kasama.
It's called Sobrang Init. So, abangan yan, guys. We're very excited for it to be released. At hindi lang yan!
Hindi lang yan.
Hindi lang yan.
Dahil
Sa June, we'll be having our EP
Major.
release. So, yes. And, hindi lang yan. Diyan sa staff. Lasing pa ako. Hindi na nag-stop kasi meron din kaming pasabog na major event.
lagot.
This is gonna be our concert. So, mag-ipon-ipon na kayo.
Yes.
And for more updates,
Matatagpuan niyo po kami sa aming social media accounts is at VXON Official.
Yes, ayan. Stream nyo na lahat ng aming mga kanta. And we're very thank you for the
love.
everything.
Yes,
Yes.
step by the step. Thank you guys.
Success. Over naman sa success.
Remember someone today with vision.
Yes, I remember you.
Remember us.
Remember me.
Bye.
Okay, next.
Laro.
Wow. Yung try not to cringe.
Ala.
Try not to
Ito.
cringe.
Ay,
Hindi
ito
ako
na.
marunong yan.
Try not to cringe.
Takpo ka na tenga ko.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.